everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the ZAGG glass screen protector. Screen protector and for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 this time.
And if you guys happen to pre-order or order the Galaxy Z Fold6,
it's going to be coming out this week.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think it's actually going to be releasing this week. We actually got this one last week, but unfortunately, we weren't here to...
Yeah, we were in Mammoth Lakes, California.
Yeah, we're having too much fun out there, so I wasn't able to get this. So I'm doing this. We're going to do this like a quick video. We don't have our studio set up here. We're actually using the Pocket 3.
Pocket 3,
The DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
Yes.
It's been a great little camera. Yeah, sorry. It's getting late already. So, yeah.
You're getting a little tired.
Yeah.
You're sleeping.
And and actually, you can see here, this one, the original one, is it's not too smeary at all.
Yeah,
it doesn't leave a lot of fingerprints at all.
Yeah, and this one is scratch protection and smudge resistant screen.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
We'll test that out and see how much compared to the original screen. Let's see how much smearing that leaves compared to this one.
Yeah,
We'll see.
and this one is actually tempered glass.
Is it? All
yeah,
right.
It says that right here.
Oh yeah, let's show everybody there. You guys can see that.
Everybody.
Yeah, it's tempered glass, so that's pretty good. So that even gives you more protection.
And it's also 3 times stronger.
Oh wow! We'll see how. I don't know how we'll can
that
verify
right
that,
here,
but it says 2 times stronger. So yeah, let's get this and see how hard this is to install on here. And we're not gonna use
or easy.
Oh yeah, that's true. Or let's say hopefully it's easy. Yes.
Yes.
We'll
hopefully.
See. Let's go ahead and dig in and let's get into this. Let's focus the
camera.
camera.
Not dig in like eating.
Yeah. So let's focus down below here really quick for you guys, so you guys can see here. Follow us here
as we're going step by step.
Yeah. We'll put this back here further. Let's get. Oops. We'll get you guys in focus here and we'll try to be in the camera as well.
So let's open this up.
Yeah, let's see.
Can I open it up?
Yeah, what are you waiting for? Let's get with the program.
Let's
see how hard actually it is even to open it up.
Or easy.
Or easy. In this case, it was pretty easy, as you can see here, isn't it?
Easy. Yeah,
check it out and show everybody.
How you open it?
Yeah, look, it's got a little arrow to pull it. So it looks like it's got a. If you guys see that, you guys just kind of like pull it. That's pretty good. Yeah. It's pretty good.
And let's see what it says on there actually. It says protect better. That's cool.
Yeah, so actually when you open it up, you just pull this little tab.
Yeah.
And everything comes in here just like a little box. And it's got a little arrow.
It's like a box inside of a box.
Yeah, so see, it's got arrows for everything. You guys can see that?
Yeah, you can see part of the stuff on the... Oh,
that's okay. We don't need that one no more.
I'll put it onto the side.
Good.
And you can also see the part of the piece right here.
Yeah. So now the next step, it looks like it's got the arrow. So
yeah, that's cool.
So I guess
I like how it's telling you how to open it.
Yeah. See. So that's opening it, and there you go. It's got everything. It's got the template.
Yep. Yeah, the
everything
template.
in there.
What is the
and
template?
You guys got to remember, this also comes with lifetime warranty. So you guys want to fill out that warranty online, and then you guys can send it in.
Want me to open this for you?
Yeah, let's get it.
It even has the instructions in the back.
Yeah, let's get everything out. Okay. So let's make sure that you don't have no case on here, because if not, it's not gonna be able to go in here like that, as you can see with the.
I think I'm getting out the screen protector. How do I open it?
Let's put the mic there really quick.
Yep.
So let me go ahead and take
Here's
this
a screen protector for you guys.
All right, let's make sure we don't get that one dirty.
Yes.
Or get lint on there. So these cases are very hard
I ripped the package a little.
To take off once you put them on. That's the only problem with these.
Okay, here's the rag, and then is there anything else in here?
Whoa, this is really hard.
I think there's stickers in here.
So yeah, make sure you don't have. This is actually the white. Don't remember what was this. Was this a ceramic one?
I
can't remember, but we'll put it on the show notes.
Yeah, we'll put it in the comments below.
Yeah, it's got a nice matte finish, but we'll do a video on this one really. Show you guys. And when you guys get this template, it's up here in the top. It says actually it's got a little arrow for the top, as you guys can see.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, so it kind of tells you where everything goes. So make sure the top, of course, the USB connection is the bottom of your phone, and this will be the top. So just drop it in like that, as you guys can see that.
And also, a long time ago, we didn't post a video, but we accidentally got the wrong one.
Yeah,
Remember?
that's right. Yeah, guys, they gave us the wrong one.
Yeah, a long time ago, but we didn't post it.
No.
Because we didn't want them to know that.
Yeah. So in this little package, you get the cloth, little wipes, alcohol wipes, and then the stickers to remove the dust if you want to.
And also, don't drink with alcohol.
That's right. Yeah, it's bad for you.
Yeah, it's not good for your health.
Yeah, there you go. It's not good for your health. It's not good for everybody. You know.
That smells good, actually.
Yeah. So you want to go ahead and make sure it's really clean, as you can see here. And then once you clean it, set this to the side in here, and then give it a quick wipe with the cleaning cloth they provided. This one actually is a really good cloth because it doesn't leave too much little lint behind.
Or bubbles.
Or bubbles, see?
Yeah.
It looks really clean.
Even when we put the screen protector on, it didn't even have any bubbles.
Yeah, and I recommend you to pull this off like that.
Yeah.
And then just leave the other one so you can hold it like this.
Yep.
And then just kind of look to see, I see a little dust. Look to see if I see any, look to see if I miss any dust.
You guys can do the whole thing just in case there's some on there, but you can see a little bit.
Yeah.
I like to do that when I'm grown up.
Yeah, so you want to, even if you have to see it sideways, I see something right in here. So it looks like, watch.
Sorry.
That's her face. And then we want to go ahead and, let me clean that off. I see it here. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's one right there, too.
Oh, yeah. Very good eye. Good eagle eye.
And then there's some right there, I
Is
think.
it? Yeah. Okay.
And then some over here.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, I have good eyesight.
Yeah. All right.
There's something black right there.
So it looks like, is there one more there? And what I do is once I start getting, I kind of cover so no dust will start flying down below.
I think you can, it looks kind of blurry when you look through that.
Yeah. So it looks like we got everything. So we'll hold. You want to hold that for us?
I'll put it to the side.
Okay.
Over here.
And then as you can see here, it's got numbers here that where you pull it, and then up here it's got the 2 tabs and the other tabs. So you want to put those in here. So let me get this in
I
the
like
video.
how it even has like the little dots where you
Yeah,
put
that's
it.
how it goes. And then that's where you put those in there. And then it's got little ears here on the side. Hopefully
Yeah, ears.
hopefully that video captures it in there. I don't know if you guys can see that there. So that's where you're going to
I have
pull
a question.
down.
What side is the sticky part? This side?
No, this side is the sticky part. So that's why you want to hold it down.
Oh, I can like feel it
Let
almost.
me borrow
already.
that little sticky.
Oh, the sticky
I
thing?
see a little bit more little.
That's
Yeah,
right.
so far it looks like
there's
it's
one
gonna
right
be it's gonna be really easy to install, from what I can
Or
see.
you can
here.
just blow it.
No,
like
because then
with a
you'll
fan.
blow more dust. So you
Yeah.
keep this down like this, and you can see me pulling this down like this, and then you wanna. Which side do we pull this one down? Oh, oops, sorry. This one we wanna. Let's see, wanna.
Yeah, we gotta pull this. I don't know what we're supposed to do.
Oh, okay, I see. So what you want to do is actually we had it upside down. So what you want to do is
Pull that one.
pull this one down. Yeah.
Yes.
So we'll put this down here. Let's look at another one. That's a good thing we're all doing it together here.
Oh,
So
there's
you
one
guys
right
don't. Yeah. So you guys won't make a mistake.
there.
We almost did.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure that's
I can already see 2 bubbles. And then a little.
and this one's actually lined up. You can see it's got the little opening for the camera there. So that's the top part in
Oh,
there.
yeah,
You can
for
see
this.
that right there. And that goes up here in the top. And you can't make a mistake on this because if you try to put this doesn't fit.
Yeah, it goes too far.
Yeah, it goes a little bit up, as you guys can see.
Only if you rip it on accident.
See, it won't line up there. Hopefully you guys can capture that. So that's how you know that you have it the wrong way. So why not
Ah,
put
stick
that
onto me.
down here below. So what I tend to do is you want to put this down like this, lined up in there, like this.
I think you're putting it the wrong way.
No, and then you pull this one off like this,
Yes. As you go.
and as you go, you want to pull this out like this,
And try not to make it sideways.
Yeah.
That way you don't bend
and
it.
then just drop it in those little 2 holes, and then just push the center like this,
Oh, yeah.
so you can push everything out to the sides.
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try there.
You tried
And
to go
remember,
on
if
the
you have
blue
any
side.
bubbles, you can work those out little by little as you're putting them in there. So it's not, don't worry if it's got bubbles.
Bubbles?
Yeah,
There's
'cause
a lot of bubbles in this one this time.
yeah, it's got a lot of bubbles. But that's okay. It's not our case anyway. So
Hey,
we're
can't
just
we
testing. No,
use
kidding.
this?
But yeah, you can use this. So you can work. I'll show you guys. Hopefully yeah, you guys can see. Hopefully, see the bubbles in there. Like
Yeah.
for example, this got that. If you just kind of push them down, and
Or like
just
with
kinda,
the rack?
yeah, it's gonna see how they go. They just go away. They
Yeah,
just
can I?
they can go down. Yeah. See how they just start going away.
Let me try with the cloth.
Yeah, you can
Cloth,
try.
it's a little easier.
Yeah.
And
Don't
as
forget,
you're
let
going,
everybody see here.
yeah, sorry. So people looking right there.
Yeah,
There's like
you
a
can
little bubble.
just push them down and they will go away.
But not too hard, people.
Yeah, you don't want to break your screen or anything. But actually, this does feel really strong. This glass on here.
Okay, that bubble went away. There it goes.
Yeah, see how it goes away.
Over here.
Yeah, they all start going
I like
away.
to go up and down sometimes.
Yeah, you can work it up like that, up and down, or sometimes if you just hold it for a little bit as you're moving it slowly, that just works the bubbles out, and then you just kind of disappear. And again, if you have any little ones that don't want to go away, once it kind of like if it gets a little on the warm side, they kind of start going down, and then if you press it down, they'll just go down, and they disappear. You can just go like this. And they'll be going away.
Yeah, it's not working for me over here.
No?
I wish you could use to do it like this.
Yeah, they used to actually provide a little spatula.
Spatula?
Yeah, they used to just kind of
Like,
work
take
the
'em off.
bubbles.
Like take them off when you touch them in 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so
I wish they would have still done those.
yeah, I don't want to keep you guys here too long, but as you guys can see, it's very nice and everything on here.
It turned
Oops.
it turned on.
Yeah.
Because it's
I'll push the
unsure to you.
Yeah. But yeah, you can see here.
There's still some a little bit bubbles.
Yeah, well, as I can see, let me see if I can show you guys here really quick. Let me see if I can capture these bubbles here. Let me see this video. See if I just push them out, they'll start going away. You don't have to put too much pressure at all. You can see that. See how they'll start going away, just pushing them out. But I'll work on those. I don't want to make this video longer, but I just kind of wanted. Yeah, it doesn't leave too many
Bubbles.
smudges like
Or bubbles.
yeah, smudges at all. So actually, it is kind of smudge resistant,
What's
like you
this?
say, huh? That was the thing that we used to clean it with.
Oh, why is it
But
wet now?
So yeah, hopefully hopefully this helps for you guys. If you guys were interested in picking up, let me raise this back up for you guys. Hopefully this helps you guys. If you guys were interested, if you guys happen to pick up the Galaxy Z Fold6 and want to protect it, it's nice and thick glass screen protector, very nice. So it's actually very easy to install this.
Yeah, actually very.
Besides that little bubbles that it might leave behind, but
Yeah.
again, just work those out. As you can see here, I'm actually working those out right now.
Yeah,
as
while we're
talking.
doing the video.
Yeah, so again, you can see here, much less. See how they're going away now. There's less and less. Hopefully, the video goes there.
Yeah,
See?
that way you guys can catch it.
Yeah. So don't forget to
Subscribe, hit that notification bell, give us a thumbs up if you've ever been to Mammoth Lakes, California.
yeah. So we appreciate it.
Yep.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching.
Bye.